Penne with chicken is a popular Italian dish that combines penne pasta with chicken and a creamy tomato sauce. The dish typically starts with cooking penne pasta in salted boiling water until it is al dente. 8 minutes. Meanwhile, chicken breasts are cut into small pieces and cooked in a skillet until they are browned and cooked through. The chicken is then set aside while a creamy tomato sauce is prepared in the same skillet. The sauce is typically made by sautéing garlic and onions in olive oil, adding crushed tomatoes and heavy green, and seasoning with salt, pepper, and Italian herbs such as basil and oregano. The chicken is then added back to the skillet and cooked with the sauce for a few minutes. Add crème fraîche. Finally, the cooked penne is added to the skillet and tossed with the chicken and sauce until everything is well combined. And add Parmesan. The dish is often garnished with fresh herbs and grated Parmesan cheese and served hot.